Alrighty, so I'm going to be going over the Extensor Carpi Radialis Longus. It's quite the mouthful, but it's going to be a muscle that crosses the elbow and the wrist joint. So I'm going to go into some of the anatomy and functions of it. So it originates from the distal third of the lateral supracondyle ridge of the humerus. The simpler way to say that is the lateral distal humerus. And it's going to insert into the base of the second metacarpal right here. And then it is going to be innervated by the radial nerve, which I have in blue right here. So the extensor carpi radialis longus will extend the wrist. This makes sense, it's in the name. And then wrist abduction or radial deviation. It's also going to be a motion it does. And it will assist in elbow flexion because it crosses that elbow joint. So I'll go ahead and show you all some of the motions here. So this is going to be the radial deviation. So it's bringing this out, and it's abducting the wrist from that anatomical position. And then the biggest one, I would say, that's the brevis, right here. It's going to be that wrist extension. So wrist is coming down like this, coming down. And that's wrist extension. So some injuries that are common in the ACRL are going to be overuse injuries. So they're common in sports like tennis, which is also called lateral epicondylitis. That's where you get the tennis elbow. So it's close to that lateral condyle. And through tennis, that repetitive motion is putting a lot of force on that muscle. It can irritate it right here. And we'll also see overuse injuries in activities like rowing. So that is my little review